inspired, and so I decided to make 3 hydroponic grow beds. And I would encourage anybody who's going to do the project to go to Home Depot and have them pre-cut your lumber for you, so all you have to do is screw it together. I did the calculations, and so I'm going to make 3 of identical sizes. I'm going to put them on these concrete blocks when I'm finished. I'm going to put black 3.5 mil plastic on the inside for the water to line the wood once we're done, and then the styrofoam will lay in pieces, and that's what the plants will sit on, and that will rest on the water. So in looking at this, I wanted to protect this garden bed from the rain. So this is the byproduct of creativity. And I can do flat or pivot it as I need to, so that the rain falls onto the plastic that's going to be on the top there and goes down. So came out pretty well, I think. Okay, so we've got it out to the backyard. The key is to put the plastic in first without tacking it down, fill it up with some water so the water kind of molds the plastic to the reservoir. And then when you get a good water level, then you can go around with the trim and tack it down.